Teos is ready to swim.
I need to get my goggles first. Dad, there's a dead fish around here.
Dead fish? This is our view. Ang ganda guys. Like, it's literally... Good morning guys, this is our third day here in Boracay. So ngayon nagpunta kami after breakfast lang sa hotel is nagpunta kami sa other side ng island which is yung Bulabog Beach. Kasi yung sa side dito yung walang hangin. Andito yung mga water activities during habagat season. So pwede kayong mag stand up paddle, yung crystal kayak. Yan. So yung e-trike na pamasahe namin 150 pesos per e-trike. Yan, may mga resort din dito. Teos is ready to swim.
I need to get my goggles first.
Okay. And then, I am not sure if nakikita nyo from my background, pero ando merong nagpa-parasailing, parasailing. Kasi mas calm yung water, tubig dito. Kasi yung direction ng hangin is papuntang dyan. So hindi na siya malakas dito kasi yung hangin is sinasalo dun sa other side. Pero during summer, dito naman yung malakas yung hangin. And then dun yung dun yung mas calm yung water. Kaya andun lahat yung activities during summer. So maliligo lang kami dito and then after, siguro we'll find a place for lunch. And then uuwi balik sa hotel. Then magsa-Station X kami after naman. Ayan guys, yung may-ari ng
May-ari ng resort.
nice yung background nila. Maramog.
Roller coaster ride. There is no fish.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, pili rende.
345 minutes. 40, 45. 40. Pwede lang.
340 minutes.
Balik puli-puli na tare.
Sana paddle guys, 300 for 40 minutes. Teos here, say hi, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, say hi.
I can bring the camera.
No, I did not set up for underwater.
Linda.
It should not be wet. I forgot to change the mic.
Dad, there's a dead fish around here.
Dead fish?
Yeah, dead fish.
Mayroon seaweed.
Seaweed
No,
snake?
they keep
Oh,
underwater.
seaweed. Nawag sila kaya na ng mga higag Hawaii daw. Okay ka na tong?
Ano magkanayo ba ha?
Kaya sila yun na. Ayan kami here. Ano siya?
Remove your goggles a bit.
Okay, hello guys. And we are done with the beach thing. Oh yeah, we're done with it. As you can see, right here, view, the Lolo right there. Everything's here. It's kind of windy today, but that's okay. We're gonna swim later that on because we're still eating some lunch. Oh yeah. By the way, yeah. We can look over there. Yeah. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna return this back, okay?
Ayan guys, so after namin maligo dito sa Bulabog Beach is maghanap na kami ng kakainan for lunch. Back here sa hotel. So as usual, because this trip is mostly sa pagre-relax talaga. So noontime habit is after lunch, relax or magnap. So sila, rest sa kanya-kanyang mga rooms. So, andito tayo ulit sa hotel room. And then, nakapag-shower na ako after dun sa dagat. And magtatambay-tambay tayo dito sa balcony. I'm wearing my bathrobe. Actually, wala to sa hotel room pagkadating nyo, but you can always request for it by calling their front desk, including the slippers. So, yun. This is our view. Ang ganda, guys. Like, it's literally, what I like about this, although hindi siya beach view, is relaxing tingnan ng green background. Puro puno. Ayan, and paradise siya kasi coconut trees mostly. Andito yung isang pool nila. Doon yung third one. At saka, andito sa gilid yung main pool. Guys, we're going to Station X. And we're wearing...
White.
Why are we wearing white?
I don't know. But I got my clothes ready for the bikini.
Yeah, it's very nice. So guys, we're now going to Station X. So from Paradise Garden, as I said, this resort has an entrance going to the beach and sa highway. So ito yung entrance sa highway mismo. And then this is a walking distance going to Station X. So isa yun sa plus points kung bakit nag-book kami dito. So walking distance to Station X. We booked our tickets sa Station X via Klook. That includes consumable na yung 500 pesos worth. So magandang place yun na tambayan if you want to like enjoy lang, especially ngayong habagat season na you really cannot expect a good sunset sa beach or sa bay area. So magandang tambayan yung Station X until dinner. Pwede kayong mag-dip sa pool, mag-relax lang, or meron mga recreational activities such as billiards, ano pa ba yun? So meron doon. So I'll show you later. That was booked on Klook. Use my Klook promo code MGSKlook to get discount. Ayan, we're here guys. So, gagamitin ko lang yung voucher na na-book ko from Klook.
As of now po sir, na-inform naman po namin yung Klook, but then hindi pa rin po nila in-update. So bali, 700 times 9 voucher is equals to 6,300, which you can order here po sa Laod and then sa Flamingo Social po.
Laod yung sa behind?
Dito po.
Ay, eto mismo.
Yes. And then yung sa Flamingo Social sir, which is yung bar area namin.
Anong sasabihin namin? Name lang ba? Or?
No need to say your name po. Kapag makikita po nila na naka-wristband ka. Bali for the events, pwede po natin
Sige, sige.
You wait.
Makita. May wifi ba dito, miss?
Yes po. Wait lang po sir.
Sige. Kami?
Ha?
Partner sa kuan? Or yung bayan?
Bayan.
We have all the mobs, bro. We have all the mobs.
Sa pila 5 pesos?
Oo. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Ayan. So magbi-billiards muna kami guys. So this is still included dun sa fun and dine. Yun ba yun? And then you just need to pay 500 for a deposit in case lang may damage kasi you have to take care of the equipment. But refundable naman yun after you play or you surrender all the stuff.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone.
Yung morning guys, it's our 4th day here in Boracay. So tapos na kaming mag-breakfast dun sa restaurant kasi buffet breakfast to. Medyo mag-gloomy ngayon, umaambon. Pero pupuntahan namin yung dagat sa mismong labasan para harap lang dito sa Paradise Garden and see if pwede tayong maligo sa gilid. Yes, where they're building! High tide. Actually, high tide ngayon, guys.
Look at my sandcastle.
Wow, we borrowed that. Ah, that's yours? Ayun guys, so after namin paligo sa dagat, actually, kahit maulan, nag-enjoy din naman kami. So ngayon, lumipat na kami dito balik sa pool ng Paradise Garden.
Payment pala sir, cash or personal?
324 lang sa room.
Ay, sasignan kayo dun sa
Ate.
What flavor is this?
Crab? Crab? Crab?
Crabs, it's crab.
Araman! So time check, it's 1:15. So magla-lunch kami, maybe sa Andox lang dito, and then mamimili na pasalubong after umaaraw na naman ulit.
To the food court. I think we're going to the food court. But look at this absolutely wavy view here. I'm just saying there was a view.
We're now going to Andox, guys.
I kind of give it a I give the rating of the food 9.9.
Wow, you really like it? 9.9 over 10. Andox is Teos approved.
Okay, what's up, guys? I feel like later than I think we're not swimming. Are we swimming? Yeah. Yeah, you see this sandpile right there. You see this sandpile? Yeah, it's for the waves. So we're gonna swim later. Dada! I'm wearing glasses. That's why I look like. But why do I every time look like a car? I don't look at like a car. Okay. Uncle Vicky or Uncle Vicky is here.
Oh, you're taking a video?
Yes. Want to hold the camera? Want to hold the camera?
You hold it.
Well, I'm all,
Cameraman.
huh?
You are the cameraman.
But I'm done videoing already.
So yan guys, namimili na lang kami ng mga pasalubong. So malapit, nasa station 3 pa din ata to. Malapit sa Andox. Nakapalit mo de?
Look at Jay.
Nakapalit mo de? Wala.
Nice.
Ay, oh, nice ng kal.
Huwag yung pinatag ng house. Hindi de. Ay.
Pila po ng kalo de?
Wala. 150.
Ah, okay, cool.
Tilang madam, tote bag. Magkano? 150. 150.
Magbigay na ko po tayo nila.
Ano po? Trip magnet. Pasok po kayo.
Ah, silang ba?
Malay ko, hindi na ba? Birthday.
Nasa simbahan kami guys dito sa Boracay. Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary. Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary pala yun. Dito patron. Sisindi lang kami ng kandila. So yan guys, nakabalik na kami sa hotel from church. So bumisita lang talaga kami sa simbahan. And ngayon, since last day na namin to sa Boracay, wala naman kami ibang pupuntahan pa. So babalik ulit kami dun sa beach and magbe-braid kami din ng buhok. So itatry nila yung Boracay signature na braided hair. Yung kapatid ko lang yung mag-braid.
Yeah. We're going to braid our hair. Absolutely.
Naman sa
If you're talking, why? Because my hair's not braided. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. There's a braid around.
about that?
Kinda.
Sir, you about that?
How many times did she already do this?
One.
And then next, 2?
It looks good on you, Theo.
Great.
I'm not. It's like around. It's not kind of. It took us 4 times. Oh, 4 times? Yeah, it took us 4 times. Then.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think of your hair?
Good.
Very cool.
Yeah. You haven't got it yet.
Yeah, I'm not having mine.
You're not gonna have yours.
Yeah.
How about Uncle Jiki?
You will.
How about Lolo?
Yeah, you will too. Good morning guys, it's our 5th day here in Boracay. It's our last day. Yeah. Breakfast. Ready na yung mga gamit? Oh. Ang maganda din sa hotel na to guys is nagbabari yung mga main dish niya daily. Ayan, kain mo na kami. Morning, Diod! That's it guys. I'll end the vlog here. Tapos na kaming kumain. We'll be checking out shortly. Wow! Teos is buying some stuff. Your classmate, they asked for pasalubong? Say bye-bye na. Thank you for joining us in this Boracay trip.
See you in Cebu.
See you in Cebu. Bye-bye. Thank you.